um, if they are doing real estate, like you and your wife, doing consulting, doing the rehabbing,
Hmm.
that the funding piece is easy to navigate. And would you say that going through the program and now having the skill set and understanding of what it is that lenders are looking for puts you ahead of those who are in the industry?
Absolutely, 100%. Because even with our experience in the business, and I actually had several lenders that I'd worked with as an appraiser, so we had business relationships. But it's just the fact that when they go to fund, if you can't show in that business account that you've got substantial income, if you can't show substantial income, then they're not going to lend. It